Watch me do my hair. That's right, I'm doing my own hair this time. Time to take down these cornrows, shampoo, and condition my hair. So actually the only thing that I did not do myself was braid my hair because I'm not very good at it. So I had a local braider do it for me. My new unit came through from Mayvenn. I always go for a curly texture, but this time I got a Brazilian straight and it did not disappoint. I sewed down the elastic adjustable band that it came with because this is going to be a glueless install. And then after that, I proceed to cutting the lace. And I don't know if I'm doing this in the proper steps or not, but anyway, I did not bleach the knots because I didn't know how to do it, but I did watch a couple of YouTube videos and apparently all I need is some foundation, and I applied it to the lace. Now I'm actually going to use a wig grip for the first time ever. So as I was putting the wig on, I went to try and slide it back to the hairline, but I couldn't because the wig grip was gripping. I was pleasantly surprised that these actually work, and now that I've experienced how good it works, I'm probably going to only do my installs like this from now on. Now I'm just going to flat iron it, and of course I use some heat protectant because you got to take care of your human hair wigs like it's your own. That way it's going to last you for years. This part was so satisfying to watch. I don't know, I just love this part. Anyway, I added some lace melting spray at the end, but I really don't think I needed it. Anyways, I'm all done. Doing my own install actually wasn't that bad. I'm obsessed with the results. What do we think? Is it giving?